Having a comb installed on your competition shotgun or your field gun can greatly improve your ability to get on target. And we'll talk about that here in a second. I'm going to go over the comb installation on the Beretta A400 12 gauge. And probably the most complicated comb to install in a gun because of the shim system, the ability to adjust the stock, how it works, and I'm going to show you in detail what I'm talking about. Now we're going to go over what it looks like after I make the cut in the stock. So right here you will see the exposed cavity after the cut and the rod that attaches to the shim that penetrates to about this point onto the cone system. To install the cone, you adjust the studs by using a 4mm Allen. Loosen the stud, move the stud right and left of the stock in combination with this stud to achieve the effect that you're after. Once the stud has been put back into the location where you want it to be, snug the stud down, install the cone, install the bushings over the top of the studs, lightly press down till it bottoms out on your nylon washers, then use a 1.5mm Allen to tighten the set screws. And you're done, and you're ready to shoot.